but let's see here, 6'9". All right, so as you can see, the electrical has been done and roughed in and ready for everything we need to get ready for. Let's see, for the new kitchen location, everything's been taken care of like that. For example, is a microwave, refrigerator, the new range location, and garbage disposal, etc., etc. New light boxes, new switches, where they need to be, etc., etc. So the electrical for the laundry room, all the electrical has been roughed in, is ready to go. Vanity light, over the shower light, and GFCI. So, and then all the rooms are ready to close up too. All right. Just wanted to give you that brief little update, because I know you guys have been asking for one, so I'm giving you one. We can run down here in the basement. This still needs to be worked on, this rusted out box right here, but it's the metal box in this cinder block wall. It's just all rusted. So all this isn't necessary for the, all this work is not necessary for the drywall because we're not finishing this space, but as you can see, all the electrical work is new. That's been done to get the new stuff needed that we need. We just haven't dropped it in the panel yet. And there was some vandalism to some wiring in the crawl space right here that we had to troubleshoot and identify. Okay, so let's see, and we've got this wire right here is for the